Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Playing hopscotch can be such a lot of fun.
It's the best game. Watch me, Kōkā.
I'm watching, Go for it.
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, hitu. Okay, it's your turn.
I like the way you're playing together, learning together, and thinking about each other. Ka rawe, Tākaro Tribe.
Hi, weh! Our stone has gone into the river. What are we going to do? Sorry, guys. We'll have to look for another one. I'm sad now. We'll never find a stone as smooth as that one. It was nice and flat too. It's okay. Let's mahi tahi work together to find another good stone. Stone? The river's a good place. There's plenty of stones there. The river stones are too big. We can't even lift them. But it must be smooth and flat. Pāpā Rākau is calling us. Come on, Tākaro Tribe, let's go!
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, moko kakariki.
How are you all today?
We're sort of okay.
Sort of okay. What's the matter?
Oh, we lost our stone for playing hopscotch. It was my fault, Pāpā Rākau. I drew it too hard and it flew into the river.
Moko ka kāriki. has come to visit. He's found something.
What is it, Pāpā Rākau?
A stone.
Yay! If it's a good stone, we can go back and play hopscotch.
Let's not forget to ask the forest for help.
Good thinking, Oo.
E te wā nui e hura nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o Ngāti Marika tāne māputa. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
It's the letter M.
There you are. Your first clue. Off you go. Good luck.
Hurry up, moko kākāriki, you're holding us up. Patience, everyone. Let's be nice to one another. Sorry, Moko. When you're ready.
Very good, Tākaro Tribe. Safe travels and come back safely.
Goodbye, Pāpā Rākau.
What's that smooth thing over there? It might be the stone moko kākāriki found.
Ooh, moko kākāriki was right. It's a very smooth stone.
And it's not flat. It's no good for hopscotch.
Just a minute, everyone. I don't think it's a stone.
Really? What is it then, O?
I think it's an egg. Oh, what bird lays an egg that big? Who else? Mama Moa does.
Kārawe Tākaro Tribe. That's a moa egg.
Where's Mama Moa? Who's looking after Moa's egg?
Looks like moko kākāriki is.
Moko kākāriki is helping, but we need more help.
What help did the forest send, Tākaro Tribe?
That's right. What letters are in the kete, ah?
Can you read what it says?
M, A,
H,
A, N, A. Ma, ha, na. Mahana.
Kārawe. Maybe you need to keep something mahana, warm.
Ana. The egg needs to stay warm.
Kāpai o. Birds sit on their eggs to keep them warm, so they hatch.
We can't sit on that egg. It's too big.
We can still help. I've got an idea. What is it, Oo? Let's cover it with a blanket. That will keep it warm.
There we go. The egg will stay mahana, warm, until it hatches.
What's that coming this way? Yay! What's that? Yay! A baby moa. I can see something else.
What is it, Oo?
I can see a smooth stone that's small and quite flat.
Kāpai o. Perfect for playing hopscotch.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You found a perfect stone.
And we saw the baby moa hatch.
It was so cute.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. Let's see what our friends have been up to. I think it's time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe. You were playing hopscotch when your stone flew into the river. Pāpā Rākau called and told you that moko kākāriki had found a very smooth stone. You learnt to spell the word mahana. Ma-ha-na. Mahana. Warm. The egg needed to be kept mahana so it would hatch. And then you saw the baby moa hatch. How do you feel now?
We feel harikwa. Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, paraihe hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmarie, e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moea. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai